How to add Chrome extension on Yandex browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add Chrome extensions to Yandex browser. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Yandex browser. After that, in the address bar, you have to type in Chrome Web Store. So here search for Chrome Web Store. Then from here, head over to Chrome Web Store. And that's gonna land you to this page. Here you have to find your desired extension. Use the search bar to locate the extension that you want. So here search for the extension that you want and then click on it. After that, from this interface, you have to click on Add to Chrome. So click on Add to Chrome. And now confirm it by clicking on Add Extension. Wait for a while until the extension gets added. Once the extension is added, now if you go back and open up Yandex, here you can find the extension. Click on the extension icon at the top right corner, and here there you can see the Chrome Web, or the extension has been added into the Yandex browser. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.